All right, guys, welcome to a new video. Today, we have a desk on top of a desk that has a PC inside the glass, and the desk is portable. Now, we are going to be bringing this desk to DreamHack Atlanta this Thursday. So this PC desk is from Unevn. It's called the Unevn base, and the PC specs, again, I'm using the Ryzen 7 9800X3D and RTX 5070 Ti, guys. 240 millimeter liquid cooler in here. We have 32 gigabytes of RAM, 6000 megahertz. We have a 2 terabyte SSD. Now, I'm not too sure about the cooling inside of this desk, so I'm going to keep it somewhat laxed. We need something that Regiment, a great military organization, can stream from at DreamHack. So we're going to be checking this in as an oversized luggage at the airport. Huge shout out, guys, to the Unevn desk company themselves and Oasis PC Gamers Hawaii. They sent us this desk free of charge. That's really cool, guys. I love it, and we're so excited to bring this to life. Get ready for a sick desk PC build coming right up. We are not in the studio anymore. We're out in the office area of our warehouse. I got my guy Jason here. We discovered that the motherboard we were using, the great MATX motherboard, was actually defective. So luckily I had a mini ITX motherboard here. This is the ROG Strix B850-I. It's a mini ITX, so it doesn't look as good. The final specs are the 9800X3D, and we also went with the RTX 5070 because the Corsair power supply only had 2 PCIe cables. But overall, Jason, what are your thoughts on the last couple days?
Crazy.
Yeah.
One word, crazy.
So as you can see, we have a mini ITX motherboard here. I have a spare USB-C cable. It's gonna be for my Samsung phone to allow USB tethering. We had to use a cable extension for the 24-pin to reach. As you see here, we have the adapter for the RTX 5070. We also have Wi-Fi antennas right here. This is actually the new Sony Hall Effect keyboard. So huge shout out to Sony for sending this keyboard. Keys are amazing. So I'm pretty sure it's RGB. As you see, we have the NZXT Kraken 240 in here. It's the RGB edition, it's got RGB fans. All right, guys, so it is day 1 of DreamHack, and I got the desk fully set up. As you can see, the camera's working really well. We got the Rodecaster X. So again, I'm using bonding. I'm using my Samsung phone, I'm using my portable hotspot, and I'm using the convention Wi-Fi. They charge like 7 grand for internet. We did this for free. Oh, we're there. We're there, guys, we're there. This is Oakley, guys. Oakley, give us your thoughts on this desk setup.
We were blessed by Unevn and Paradox Customs to come through at the Regiment booth with a badass mobile esports desk.
What can we expect from Regiment here at DreamHack?
This weekend at DreamHack, obviously, our main goal is to reach out to our target demographic, those military veterans and active duty service members that may be coming through the show floor and join themselves. You know, we want to grab those people, introduce them to Regiment, get them to verify their service, join the community. It's completely free. And we love our supporters too, you know, so discord.gg/regiment. We're at about 95,000 members in our Discord right now.
95,000 members, guys.
So yeah, this weekend we'll raise some charity dollars and put that money towards our programs and just, you know, help out veterans.
Thank you so much. All right, guys, now be it.